wood chips. Making a new garden. Right there.
Oh, jeez. We're making a garden, so this is what we're doing.
Whoa. What are you doing right now?
So like that, all this was over there, and all this was like there, I think. And then we transported it over here by scooping that and putting in, giving a couple things, then so like that, and then putting them in there.
Did you understand any of that?
Don't those new beds look nice? I got cedar wood chips in between, and this is a 50-50 compost topsoil mix. I've added in some peat here and here. We're getting there. So this is going to be an ear of corn, and right there, every year, this Japanese cherry, if that's what it is, I think it is, some kind of ornamental cherry, it blooms, and then it blesses the garden, if you will, with all of its petals. You see there's just a dusting of pink petals all across the garden. And it's super active with bumblebees, honeybees, wasps. It's a gift.